Now, former champions Wolmer's boys booked their ticket into the quarterfinals with a comprehensive 4-0 win over Kingston Technical High at Jamaica on Wednesday in the Walker Cup. Aiden Day was the main man for the Wolmerians, bagging a brace. He opened the round in the 18th minute and had the Hero Circle boys sitting, well, pretty with his second in the 25th minute. Alex Wright finished off a well-worked counter-attacking move 4 minutes at the start of the second half. Nathaniel Brooks completed an easy day at the office for the Wolmerians just before the hour mark. The Wolmerians will line up with St. Catherine High in the next round.
First and foremost, congratulations to the Wolmers family. Well tried, Kingston Tech. If you notice, Kingston Tech is a vibrant team. And you can see they have a lot of talented youngsters. And, you know, it looked good for the future for them. Wolmers on the other hand, it was basically a game that we dominated. There are times we played in spurt, but nevertheless we came out victors.
Meanwhile, former winners Excelsior High set up a quarterfinal date with the defending champions Tivoli Gardens High after running past St. Jago 3-1. Excelsior saw their 2-0 halftime lead cut by St. Jago's captain Javar Harris in the 67th. However, the boys from Mountain View Avenue restored the 2-goal cushion courtesy of Terrence Williams 14 minutes from time.
Strong. We created numerous opportunities in the first half. The first half ended 2-0, but I thought that we could have been a little bit efficient in front of goal in the first half, and we should have ended the first half with more goals than 2 goals. The second half, I thought that we were a little bit casual, especially in the middle of the field, and we allowed them to get some look in. Case in point, the goal that they scored. Nonetheless, I think credit must be given to the boys though.